This is the Country Flame glass for the models BBF, B, E1, SD1, B1, and B6. Part number 7P051CF. The glass measures 20 3/4 across, 11 1/2 from top to bottom in the center, 9 3/4 on the long side, and 8 3/16 on the shorter side. It has a small cut right here that allows the handle to pass through when it's installed. The glass is made from a high temperature ceramic glass, which has a slight amber tint, which you can see here with the white paper behind it. And it gets installed with a taped gasket, which goes around the edge of the glass, and it's got adhesive on one side. We have a separate video showing that installation. If you have any questions, please give us a call.